warm welcome to this channel. As part of this channel, I will be sharing my experience and knowledge in quality engineering, and I'll be discussing the topics which are more into test automation. Yeah. And I feel that this may help someone who want to start into test automation or who are actually preparing for their interviews. I'll be including the video for the technical topics as and when I get time. Firstly, I'll go with the introduction part. I know most of the people are already aware of these things, and yeah, but still, I want to discuss these things so that, like, if some freshers or someone is new to the test automation, they can actually get some context on top of it. Yeah. So we'll go with the next slide. Yeah. So in the coming videos, I'll be throwing some light like on what is the difference between the manual testing and automation testing, and why we need to learn the test automation, and what are the prerequisites we need to learn the test automation. So yeah, so this will be discussing on a high level. We'll not be taking much time into this, but yeah, but still we will discuss this because to get the context before we start the technical topics. Yeah. And later we'll be covering the technical aspect, like we'll be covering one programming language for sure, so which is Java. The reason I picked Java because we'll be using Java most in our project. So yeah, most majority of the people are there familiar with Java. So that's the main intention of behind this. And apart from that, we'll be also be covering the UI automation, Selenium, and few frameworks also we will discuss. And apart from that, we will also be covering the REST API automation into this. So yeah, apart from this, we'll be also covering the other topics like as and when we need, maybe the mobile automation and etc. Yeah. So in future, so currently we'll start with this first, and yeah, so as and when we need and on demand, like we'll discuss the other topics as well. So learning is the one aspect. Yeah. So this will help someone who actually started to test automation, and this will give you the what do you call it, the basic knowledge and the mid-level long knowledge, so that they can actually start to work or get the things clearly. And yeah, so there'll be someone who are actually preparing for some quality engineering role job, like for specifically the test automation. Yeah, so this will be also be covering the interview part, like what all the important questions will be most of the interview they'll cover, and also the coding skills, right? So that is also needed for a tester. So we'll also be giving the same equal weightage to the interview preparation. Yeah, in parallel to the learning part. Yeah. So that's how we are going to discuss all these things in the future videos. Yeah. And hope this will help the people who are actually like they get into the test automation area, and also the people who are preparing for the interviews and the students. And thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.